back to my channel. Danielle here, and if you're new, my name is Danielle and we do a lot of thrifting on this channel. So y'all, thrift stores are still closed, but I've been on Depop quite a bit. So a few videos ago I got a mystery thrift box from Depop and it was a pretty good experience. I liked most of my pieces. I won't say all of them, but most of them. And so I decided, you know what, I need to like kind of just chill and relax with the mystery and actually buy things and look into things that I really like. The only thing, and I've mentioned this before, is that Depop has like really expensive prices. So thanks to y'all, you told me to use the filters, and so I tried my best to get things on the, like, you know, cheap side, and I am pretty cheap, but some of this stuff is just so cute that you either buy it then or it's not available. So I try to keep a minimum of only spending $20 per item, and to me that's already super expensive. Like honestly, when I go out thrifting, I don't want to spend more than $6 on a top and $8 for pants. So this is like honestly out of my budget and out of my comfort zone, but y'all, once you see these pieces, you'll understand why I spent the money. So let's get started with this haul. Okay, you guys, I've got my haul right over here. Look at these colors. Also, I walked away with a pair of shoes, but those, a little controversial, and I will talk about those later. But pretty much I bought things from 6 different Depop sellers, so if you're interested in them, I will leave them in the description box down below. And as I'm talking about each piece, I'll put up the seller somewhere on the screen just to let you guys know, so you can check them out as well. But let's start off with the first item, which is actually the most expensive piece. Okay, so this was one of those pieces where it was just so dang cute that I either had to buy it right then and there, otherwise I knew it would be gone. So it's this black corset right here. Like, I don't even need to tell you guys anything. Just look at it, it's so freaking cute. But y'all, it is pretty cropped, which I think is super cute. It's sheer lace, black construction. It has light padding, which is pretty nice. I was a little scared when I got this and I was like, ooh, is this gonna hold my little cups? But y'all, it fits me. And then the back, which is pretty different, is that usually the band goes straight across, but it dips down into kind of an open low plunge, which I really like. I just thought super cute, super sexy. And then it does have boning for structure, so you can tell that it's made really well. The only thing about this is that it fits me pretty damn small. In the try-ons, you guys will see that it just like hugs my rib cage, and then all my love handle just kind of sticks out. So it's not the most comfortable in the world, and so I'm debating whether I should put it on my Depop, but I would like to try to get my money's worth. But y'all, look how freaking cute it is. I love this piece. And y'all, sticking with corsets because I am currently obsessed with them. I have another one here. Honestly, it was the print that got me, just because polka dots are a trend that's totally in right now. The only thing is that when I tried it on, the straps or the halter neck was very thick, and I feel like it's too big for my body type. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna take a minute right now and talk about this, but this corset is just not flattering on me whatsoever. I feel like I like to think I have like a little bit of boob, but this, oh no, this is not working for me. But now, can you guys see that the strap, I feel like, is too thick? I feel like straps like this probably look better on people who have bigger busts. So on me, it just looks very exaggerated. But I mean, love the fit, love the print. I just feel like it's just not from me. So it just didn't fit me as well. Luckily, this was around, I think, $12 or $15. It wasn't too expensive, but it definitely gives me more like pinup girl vibes, which really isn't my aesthetic or style, but it's still a really cute statement piece. Okay, you guys, next up is my favorite piece. Luckily, it was the first piece that got here, and it's my favorite out of the entire haul. And this one was $20, which when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, am I really gonna spend $20 on a shirt? But it was totally worth it. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys have already seen it. It is this picture right here. I went out painting right outside of my apartment building, and it is this halter neck shirt. I just have to slip it right on. You guys, tell me this isn't cute. Pink is one of my favorite colors. Look at this like satin, shiny, sheeny construction. I just think it's so freaking cute. And it does have a halter neck, but also is more of a vest. It has an open back. Oh, and look at the front hook and eye closures, y'all. I just think that is so cute. This is a piece that is not gonna be listed on my Depop. It'll be in my closet and wardrobe forever. I love this. So really excited about that one. Ooh, this one, oh my gosh. Okay, I was kind of on the fence about getting this shirt too because it cost me $18. And I feel like this could be an item that I could have easily thrifted, but it would have been hard to thrift. Don't be disappointed. It is this tube top. So I am a sucker for any top with smock detailing. So you guys can see that it has stretchy construction. It's in this like slime green color that is super popular right now in 2020, and it fits pretty well. I don't know if this is like a vintage brand. It's A Broad Fashion Accessories. Does that look familiar to any of you guys? The only weird thing about this is the fact that it has like a seam right here, and when you put the shirt on, it like, the seam is right on your boobs, but not in a flattering way. So then my sister thought that you would have to like roll it at the seam and then wear it like this to make it much more of a cropped smock top, which, I mean, it's alright. I probably would still wear it. I think even like with these high-waisted jeans that I'm wearing right now, it would look super cute for like a flirty, girly, summery look. But for $18, I'm just like, did I really just spend $18 on this? I feel like I could have purchased it cheaper, but then you have to consider it's Depop. Okay, the next item. Okay, these next two pieces I feel like were such a deal. They were selling together for only $15. And again, they are halter tops. Y'all, I don't know what it is. Halter tops are my thing right now. I love them. So the first one I got is this little halter tank. No surprise that it is in this green color again, but y'all, look at this. I absolutely love this. And it's knit construction, so it's super comfy. And this is a medium, so it did fit me slightly big. So unfortunately, this will be going on my Depop, but really a summer piece that I feel like everyone needs. And then this one I am keeping for sure, but it's just like a classic black color, and the front has a keyhole cutout, which I really like. I just feel like it elevates a classic black halter neck. So I think it's super cute. Again, it has an open back. And then the construction of this tank, I don't know really how to describe it besides the fact that it feels like swimsuit material, which, not gonna lie, I pretty much like just because it's thick enough to not wear a bra, so you don't got any pointy nips showing, you know, so really like that. These pants here I'm gonna show you in a minute are from the same seller of the two tanks there, but pretty much every time I open up Depop and I'm looking at pants, I always come across corduroy. You cannot escape it. I always see it, so I was just like, fine, I give in, I'll buy a pair of corduroy pants, and luckily these were a good price. So they are these high-waisted cords right here. They're the brand Liz Claiborne, and they're petite, y'all. I'm only 5'3", so if I could ever find petite sizes, I'm totally gonna just snag them. But, you know, I don't know how I feel about the navy blue. Like I mentioned in my other video, it's like trying to be a black color, trying to be a blue color. It's kind of in the in-between. So for me personally, it is kind of hard to style navy blue, but I couldn't resist, y'all. These are just way too cute. It does go down into a straight leg. It has a little pocket on the back, and then the corduroy construction, oof, got me. We are down to the last seller of the bundle, and I spent like a little over $80 on this next bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, for 4 items. So that is a little pricey. That's about like $20 per item. And the first thing we got, which I actually really like, is this t-shirt right here. It's just colorful, it's bright, it's bubbly. You guys, look at all this striped color block detail. I just thought it was super cute, and it's in pink, so how could I not take it, right? Just imagine with like mom jeans and a belt. How cute would that be? So really love this, and it's knit construction. It's also a bit more oversized, so definitely really comfy. Next thing that I love are midi skirts. I think they're super, super, super cute. I always style midi skirts with this boot that I got from In the Making LA Boutique. They're like my first like high knee boot kind of ish, and it's in a leather construction. So I literally wear those with every midi skirt I have for like an early 2000s vibe. But this skirt is this one right here. It is in a blue color, and it's, you know, you guys already know I'm a fan of pastel blue, so if I see even a hint of it, you know I'm gonna like it. And it's just got a lettuce edge trim at the bottom. It's got a elasticized waistband, which I really like, so it makes it super comfy. But y'all, look how cute this is. And then I was imagining wearing this with that black halter neck that I got. Super freaking cute. Oh, you guys, we have another pair of bottoms here, and I've kind of already wore them in other videos to style other pieces with, but when I saw these, I was just like, ooh, it is animal print, it is leopard print, I gotta take them with me. And so I ended up taking these pants right here. They're high-waisted, they've got a zipper on the back, and look at this print. It's just a leopard print all the way around, and it is a straight leg, which I personally like. I think I've pretty much grown out of skinny legs at this point. I just feel like these are super fun, a statement pant that easily go with like a classic or basic top. You are good to go. Okay, you guys, let's get to the last item. And I feel like shoes are risky to buy if they're secondhand. And I decided to walk away with these pair because they were listed for, I think it was like $10 or $12. It was pretty cheap. I was just like, okay, I'll risk it. I'll just take them. And there are these shoes right here. Y'all will either love these or hate these. I've really been into these clear shoes. Maybe I'm late to the bandwagon because I know this trend has already happened. I'm not sure if it's passed, but I recently got some shoes from Nordstrom. They're these Jeffrey Campbell shoes that I absolutely like. I'll put a picture right here. I think they're super cute. The only issue with these are that within the first hour of wearing them, I got hecka blisters. Like my feet were killing me at the end of the day. But when I saw these shoes, I was like, they're transparent, you know? They're kind of ugly, which makes me like them even more. So I thought they were really cool. We've got a square toe, which is obviously the trend right now. It has like this footbed here that has butterflies. Yeah, you guys can see that. How cute is that? And then it's got a little heel. The only issue that I have with this is that not all of the damage was called out. So obviously these shoes do look like they're pretty old. I'm not sure if you can tell from the video, but they do have a little like yellow orange tint to them just because obviously they need to be cleaned, and I don't know if this is like a permanent damage to it. But when I received them and I tried them on, something was hurting me. Like I literally was feeling pain on the back of my heel, and that is because it does not have a cushion right here on the footbed. So literally you have plastic poking at your heels. And so I was just like, what the heck, why was this not called out? Or I was thinking, oh, maybe I just read through the listing too quickly and I just missed this. So I went back to the posting and it was never called out. And y'all, as a seller on Depop, I really do appreciate good copy and good descriptions of each item. I just feel like you should have the integrity and just call out any damage, especially if it's a monetary transaction. You know, that's all I asked for. So I was a little upset about these. I'm gonna try to resell them, but you know, when you buy these, it is gonna be additional money to fix them. So a little upset about that, but they are cute shoes. Let me know what you think down below. But you guys, that pretty much does it for the end of my Depop haul. If you liked any of the pieces, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, I am gonna keep most of these pieces, but there are about like 2-3 pieces that might be listed on my Depop, so if you guys wanna check it out, I will leave it right here. I'm at Twinell, and I'll also leave it in the description box down below. Also, my only advice, you guys, when shopping on applications like Depop is that use the filters. I feel like those are so freaking important, especially if you do have some sort of budget. I know it can be very overpriced, but if you guys, you know, do look and take the time to be patient and browse, you do eventually run into those prices that you like. But also, it does not hurt to send in an offer. If people really are firm with their pricing, they'll either say in their bio or in a specific listing, they'll be like firm on price. But if not, the worst that could happen is if they say no. For all the pieces that I got, I asked for lower prices and they went through with it. So you guys, honestly, give it a try. But if you guys want to keep up with me throughout the week, I do have an Instagram. I am at Eggie Girl. So feel free to give me a follow or DM me. I love talking with you guys about thrifting or really anything in particular. But y'all, LA is coming close. My area is about to open up thrift stores. I just can't wait. I know that the OC has already opened up their thrift stores, but honestly, I don't want to make the drive over there, especially if I don't find anything. So I'm just gonna wait because I literally live walking distance from a Goodwill. I'm just hoping that they open up already. But you guys, as always, I post videos once a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!